You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word that gets a lot of people confused. It's an archaic term for pleat. In British English, it's normally pronounced as plait, like the ones you have on your hair or straw or robe, plait. But in the US, the American English pronunciation is as plate. Yes, just like a plate. So indeed it's confusing. Both pronunciations are correct, plait or plate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.